I had a few, and I think I already know some of the CROs. I work with them, so it's a further chance to learn their new capabilities and have interaction with them. So that was useful.
The meetings went really well. I had a couple, and really tried to meet with groups that were new to me or I hadn't met with in a while, and the seniority level there was great. I learned a lot of new things about what the companies offered, technologies that would be actually a great opportunity for me to look into and for us to bring into our company, so it was quite valuable for us.
I focused on companies that I hadn't heard of before or was unfamiliar with. Those were the ones that I kind of took my meetings with.
Okay.
And it was kind of great to hear just the variety of CRO options there are out there. Many more boutique CROs out there than perhaps the big names that most of us are classically used to working with. It was great to understand how they want to differentiate themselves from the bigger organizations.
Yes, I did have a couple of one-on-ones today, and those were very nicely set up as well, very informative, and something that I wasn't anticipating to get out of this meeting, so that was pretty good.
Yeah, as a CRO salesperson, definitely one-to-one meetings are what brings us to a Proventa event, and we did get a chance to have fair number of one-to-one meetings here. They did go well. Several of customers are showing interest in buying services. Even though the market continues to be subdued, it looks far better than what it has been over the last 12 months or so.
They're pretty good. The other advantage of this meeting is we get to talk to various CROs and stay up to date on their offerings, because they do change over time.
Yeah, we talked with some of the vendors here. I was talking about getting information about some topics, peptides and things like that. So I think we got some questions answered. Hopefully they'll come back to me afterwards and see, how they would approach kind of the problem that I proposed to them.
Yes, very good mix. It was a very different topics, but it's good. Our company, we have a lot of toolbox, so we can pick up the right tools for certain things. So it was very interesting. Challenging problems. We'll see if we can help out. But overall, I would say medicinal chemistry today is much more wide than it was maybe 20 years ago. Much more different applications, different modalities.
Yeah, the day was busy. We had several meetings, more than 8 meetings we had in a day, and also the roundtable meetings were fantastic, which covered up both on the medicinal chemistry side, and also they had shown interest in collaborating with the CROs for their CMC requirements as well.
I had a few, yeah. They were great. It was really awesome to hear what sort of the concerns and problems were and where we could really fit in and solve them. We had some really interesting discussions on sort of where things stand and where they're going.
It was really good. Some already know us, so it was good catching up, sharing what's new on our platform. Others just sharing what's new and how we could potentially help them. So those meetings were really good.
Excellent. We got to exchange contacts. We learned about technology that some companies offer. We learned about opportunities with CROs. It's great.
Yeah, we got updated with things that have changed. I was able to talk to some CROs that I've worked with in the past about some past hiccups that we were able to smooth out and get to a stronger relationship.
Yeah, we had 6 one-to-one meetings, all senior stakeholders, all kind of the right folks that we typically like to collaborate with, who are all pretty relevant for the types of technology we're building.
There was decent level of seniority. I mean, people I think who came to meet us had needs, which I think was a positive. Obviously, this is the 4th meeting we are attending this year with you guys. So we've got good experience kind of having, met with so many people. So I think overall the experience is positive.